Here we are at Fabspeed Motorsports, and we just picked up a 2010 Porsche 997 twin turbo, the new 3.8 liter car. This car is a 6-speed, and one of our good customers just picked it up and brought it to the experts to modify it here at Fabspeed.
Motorsport. We're outside the car now, still with the 2010 997 twin turbo. We're going to give you some sound clips outside. This is a car that has a stock exhaust setup on it right now. Fabspeed Motorsport. We're still in the 2010 997 twin turbo. We got the top down now with the stock exhaust to give you a feel. Here we are, we're back in Fabspeed. We're back in our 2010 997 twin turbo. We've got the Fabspeed 70mm exhaust system on here now with 70mm quad tips. Car's got the stock headers on it right now. We're going to give you some in-car footage. This is with the top up right now. I'm going to show you what the car sounds like. This is a 70mm 2 3/4 inch system. It's in third gear now. There's absolutely no drone at all. It's fourth gear at about 2,000. Fabspeed Motorsport, and the 2010 997 twin turbo. It's got our Fabspeed 70mm exhaust system on it now with 70mm tips, quad tips, and it's got the factory headers. Let me give you some sound clips. still Fabspeed. We're still in our 997 2010 twin turbo with the 70 mil system, quad tips, stock headers. We got the top down now. We're going to give you some sound clips inside with the top down. This exhaust on this car is a convertible. It's got a really nice tone to it. It's not overbearing because we use a special packing inside our mufflers with the 70 millimeter exhaust to keep it quiet. Fabspeed Motorsport. We're in a 2010 997 twin turbo. It's got our 70 millimeter exhaust system on here with a bypass X pipe. This also has our 997 twin turbo air intake, the competition Maxflo Air Intake dual cone. It's the prototype system on here right now. I'm going to give you a couple sound clips inside. Got the top down still. This has got the 70 millimeter muffler bypass X pipe system on it and the Maxflo competition air intake. Got the top down, and we're going to give you a sound bite. Sounds pretty cool. You can hear the bypass valves now.